Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to warp a text box in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and select any shape. Right click, use rectangle shape, fill color yellow and stroke color black. Stroke option solid line. Press enter. Then click and drag on your mouse. Create again new layer. Right click, horizontal type tool and text color black. And type anything. Press Ctrl T, hold shift. Hold Ctrl, align middle. Press Ctrl Z. Group and use only text. Right click warp text, only text warp. Or direct warp group. Right click is convert to smart object. Again right click rasterize layer. Then press Ctrl T. Right click use warp. See this custom size. Up and down. Or again press Ctrl T. Click warp text box. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.